What is going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy. So we're back with another color video. Okay, so today we have a brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much, RiRi Hair. They sent me a body wave lace front wig, so I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. The curl pattern is really pretty. I like the texture. It can really be worn just like this. Like, I love a body wave hair that actually is a wave and doesn't get straight when you wet it, you know? So after I wet this, cause you know, I always pluck and bleach my hairlines before I even start recording. It even had a cuter wave after it dried. So I like this body wave. Y'all did that. I like that. So today we're doing a two-tone type color on this wig. Now this is a hairstyle that I seen on this really pretty girl on Insta, and I'm like, that looks like an easy color. I can do that. So it's like the top half is this really pretty gold, like this honey brown, honey blonde type of color, and the bottom is brown, and we're gonna bleach it. Just one process. Bleach the top first, bleach the bottom second, and then we're gonna tone it all with our Shimmer Light shampoo. So enough talking, let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna let this process for probably like 15-20 minutes so it can reach that nice pretty honey brown color. And then for this, we're gonna take this, put it in a bowl, probably with some water in it, probably like to dilute it a little bit if I need it, and do the bottom. Is that the ice cream man? I gotta go. Where's my money? Where's my money? Oh my God, where are my shoes? Okay. All right, I found them. Okay, I'll get a Batman. I'll get a Tweety Bird. I'll get a Bubbles. All right. All right, so I think this is done. It's definitely, can I talk? It's definitely that honey brown color that I wanted. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out. And actually, I'm not. You're right, I'm not. This is a one-step color. So we're gonna put this directly in another bowl of bleach so we can bleach the bottom and leave it on there for about 5 minutes and we're done. It's my favorite. All right, so now I'm gonna let that sit for maybe 10 minutes and then take it out. All right, guys, so we're done with the color. Now, this was our quote unquote one process color because I didn't have to wash it out and, you know, reapply color. All we did was put the bleach on the top for about 20 minutes and then dip the whole thing in another pool of bleach for only 5 minutes for the bottom to get this really pretty like brown color. Let's go ahead and start this install. I'm gonna dry this wig completely. Oh, y'all see that hairline? Oh. Yes, baby. All right, let's do it.